I'm not sneezing anymore. I'm done.
Oh, I don't.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh my god! Oh dear!
God.
Yes! Version 22! Oh my god! It's because you were freezing in Saminos, and that's a great way you can record your sneezing.
What is that, 3? 4?
No, it was 4. It was 4.
Oh my God.
Oh my. And this one's gonna be put on YouTube.
Huh?
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Oh, great! Will County Sheriff! Yes!
At least you didn't stop me for sneezing.
That'll be hilarious.
I think I'm done.
How many was that in total?
I think it was 6.
6?
Oh, Lord.
To coming together. Absolutely. I've been doing this for over 30 years, Mike.
Guess what, Grandma?
Make better.
I was taking a video of you sneezing.
Okay, is it done now?
Who is easy?
Why? You don't want to be on camera anymore?
No, I'm done.
Husbands,
Okay.